In the light of the recent pertussis outbreak, this video is a gentle reminder to always check on your child or baby's immunization. Siguraduhin mga mommies na laging up-to-date ang bakuna ng ating mga anak. Hello, I'm Dr. Jeline, aka your tita, Doktora. In my last video, pinag-usapan natin ang tungkol sa sakit na pertussis. Now, in this video, pag-usapan naman natin ang most effective way on how to prevent pertussis disease. Let's talk about the vaccines against pertussis or whooping cough. Pertussis vaccine is given in the form of 6-in-1, 5-in-1, or 4-in-1 vaccine. Most of the time, kasama nito ang bakuna laban din sa diphtheria and tetanus. The pentavalent vaccine in the local health center contains the vaccine against diphtheria, tetanus, whole cell pertussis, Haemophilus influenza B or HIB, and hepatitis B. While the 6-in-1 in the private clinics contains diphtheria, tetanus, acellular pertussis, inactivated polio vaccine, Haemophilus influenza B, and hepatitis B. While the 5-in-1 vaccine don't contain hepatitis B vaccine. The only difference of the pentavalent vaccine in the local health center is that it doesn't contain a polio vaccine, because polio vaccine in the local health center is given in the form of oral polio. These DTP-containing vaccines should be given in 3 primary doses in infants, starting at the age of 6 to 8 weeks old or 1.5 months old, then at 2.5 months old, and then 3.5 months old. This is followed by a 4th dose or a booster dose at 1 year old or around 12 to 18 months old. This booster can be given in the form of 5-in-1 or 6-in-1 vaccine in the private clinics. This is again followed by another 5th dose or booster dose at around 4 to 6 years old. This may be given in the form of 5-in-1 or 4-in-1 vaccine. Your child is fully immunized against pertussis or diphtheria and tetanus if the child received 5 doses of DTP vaccine, or if your child received 4 doses if the 4th dose is given on or after the 4th birthday of your child. When the child reaches around 7 to 9 years old, they should be receiving a Tdap vaccine. This is a reduced dose form of the DTP vaccine. Tdap vaccine is given every 10 years. That means it should be given throughout adulthood until the senior years. For pregnant women, they should be given at least 1 dose of Tdap during the 27 to 36 week age of gestation and every pregnancy. In summary, your child is said to be fully immunized with DTP vaccine if your child received 5 doses of DTP-containing vaccine at the age of 4 to 6 years old. If you and your child have missed these vaccines mentioned, you can always consult your friendly doctors. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully, natutunan niyo po ang vaccines tungkol sa pertussis at iba pang mahalagang bakuna para sa inyong mga anak. Follow me for more pedia-related videos and please do subscribe to my other social media accounts. Thank you!